Most people think Walmart grocery pickup is complicated, but the truth is it's actually one of the easiest ways to shop in 2026. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is waiting until the last minute or choosing items without checking availability, because that's where most orders go wrong. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart grocery pickup works, how to place your first order, how to choose the right pickup time, and how to avoid substitutions and missing items. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the simple trick that helps you get your full order with fewer replacements. Let's start from the beginning. Walmart. The retail giant Walmart built its grocery pickup system to make shopping faster and more convenient. Instead of walking through aisles, you order everything online, and a staff member brings it out to your car at a scheduled time. Here's how you start. First, open the Walmart app or website and sign in. Go to the grocery section. You'll see categories like produce, dairy, snacks, and household essentials. Now add items to your cart, just like normal online shopping. But here is where it gets interesting. Not every item is always available for pickup, so always look for the Pickup Eligibility label before adding it. Once your cart is ready, go to checkout. You'll be asked to choose a pickup time. This is important. Early time slots usually have fresher stock and fewer substitutions, while late slots may have limited availability. Now enter your payment details. Walmart usually charges your card after the order is finalized and picked, not always immediately at checkout. This helps adjust for price changes or substitutions. After placing your order, you'll get updates through the app. You'll see when your order is being prepared, when it's ready, and when you can head to the store. Now here's the problem most people run into. They don't customize substitutions. If you skip this step, Walmart may replace your item with something similar if it's out of stock. Sometimes that works fine, but sometimes you get something you didn't want. To avoid this, go into your order settings and choose whether you want substitutions, refunds, or specific replacements. When it's time to pick up your order, drive to the designated pickup area at your selected store. Most locations have clearly marked parking spots. Open the app, check in, and enter your spot number. A Walmart associate will bring your groceries directly to your car and load them for you. Now here's a simple trick that makes a big difference. Try placing your order earlier in the day, ideally before midday. Stores have fresher stock at that time, and you reduce the chance of missing items or substitutions. Also, avoid peak hours like evenings and weekends if you want faster service. Another important tip is to double-check your frozen and fresh items after pickup. If anything is missing or damaged, you can report it in the app for a refund or replacement. So let's quickly summarize. Shop through the app. Choose pickup eligible items. Select an early time slot. Customize substitutions, and check in when you arrive. That's it. No checkout lines, no aisle searching, and no waiting inside the store. And once you get used to it, grocery pickup can save you a lot of time every week. If this helped you understand how to use Walmart grocery pickup the right way, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides like this.